Hello everyone, and welcome to Edgewater's Policy 360 video. Today we'll be sharing Edgewater's Policy 360 concept through the use of a few slides and an active demo. Policy 360 is designed for insurance firms looking to gain efficiency and add enhanced value to each and every touchpoint with an insured agent or producer. Edgewater's Policy 360 concept views an insurance carrier's data from the perspective of the policy, utilizing your customer relationship platform as your central data hub. Now, to start today's slide deck, we're going to look at a few pictures. And do these pictures look familiar to you in your organization? Edgewater finds that many insurance firms keep their insured's agent or producer data spread out amongst many disparate systems. The goal for Edgewater's Policy 360 concept is to centralize this information to allow for improved customer service through quicker access to data, which gives the carrier the ability to answer many questions they cannot answer today. Now, for instance, we have a few questions up here, and we find that many insurance firms cannot answer them. Can you? When a customer calls, do you know what other policies this customer may have with you in addition to the one they're inquiring about? Do you have a single vision of your customer, including billing and policy data? Do you have a unified approach to analyze this data, update it, and report across your enterprise on insured, agent, and producer information? Most carriers cannot answer these questions or report on it because they have a disparate operating environment with customer and agent data spread across multiple systems, so users do not know enough about policy holders and prospects. In order to get a complete 360-degree picture, you need to provide a single view of a customer that includes claims, billing, policy data, and the related agent information that should go with it. Edgewater's Policy 360 concept is founded on a fully integrated CRM platform as your information data, working off the core components you can see here. It can be used to answer the previous questions and provide an enterprise-wide view of all your data that can be aggregated, secure, and updatable. As the principal data controller, the Policy 360 concept can also be leveraged to provide master data management to ensure quality and allow for different workflows amongst your organization. The Policy 360 concept not only provides a single view of the insured, like you can see from the core components above, but it also can be used for agent management as well, and look at tasks such as licensing, commission, and comprehensive communication, as well as tying agents or producers to their insureds, as you will see in our demo in the next few minutes. Now, here's a picture of how we see Policy 360 integrating into your systems. The Policy 360 concept is like the enterprise service bus of information in your organization. The key to this concept is integrating with all your key systems, such as multiple back-end policy admin systems, billings, claims, as well as your customers' data centers. But it also needs to include access to data in all of your other support systems. With complete data integration, requests for information can be automated and instantaneously reducing processing time and improve customer satisfaction. With all this data available in one place, it has an immediate impact on customer service for insureds, agents, producers, and anyone with whom your company does business. Not only can you allow your call center representatives to have all the information they need available at their fingertips, but the single data repository can also be extendable to provide data to external facing interfaces such as insureds and agent portals. The following demonstration will show how Policy 360 can streamline information access for a customer service representative, or CSR, allowing them to focus on the policyholder needs, creating a better customer experience instead of searching multiple systems and screens for information. We will cover a CSR taking a call from an insured whom has recently moved and would like to change her address on a policy. Along with that address change, the policyholder would like to also change the owner and beneficiary of a policy. So without further ado, the CSR will log into the Policy 360 system, which I have already brought up here. The front screen can easily be customized to show dashboard graphs displaying employee and volume metrics, while also displaying any open activities the user has ongoing. So the CSR takes the first initial call. By clicking on the Sales tab, the CSR can take a call and greets the caller asking for their name, policy number, or social security number. In this case, the caller gives her name as Taryn Rogers. I'm now typing in Taryn Rogers and hitting enter to search for her record. After hitting enter, the CSR will see a list of contacts filtering by their search criteria. This will also display a group of information that can be customized for quick client verification, such as address, phone number, and social security number if needed. The CSR then clicks the contact name, which opens up a new window containing all the contact information in the client record. The CSR will then be able to verify that the record matches the caller on the phone, utilizing a lot of the information that you see here on the screen. Now that the CSR has verified the caller, they will then be able to navigate the page by the scroll or navigation tree on the left of the screen. As you can see, there are many customizable fields that can be used by a CSR, including address, email, and the policies that Taryn is currently the insured on, owner, and beneficiary, allowing the CSR the opportunity to cross-sell or upsell Taryn on different types of coverage, or the CSR could utilize the marketing functionality of Policy 360 to send her additional information on products that would make sense for her. Seeing the first goal of today's call, however, for Taryn is to change her address. The CSR can come over to the address field, type in the new address, and click Save. Once the save takes place, you can see that the address has changed on the main screen. The unique value of this is that this will change the address for all of Taryn's policies within Policy 360 with just one click. Seeing the second reason that Taryn has called is her need to change a beneficiary on her ULG policy, the CSR is then able to quickly locate the policy by identifying the role the caller has to the policy in the question. In this case, Taryn explains to the CSR that she needs to make some changes to the ULG policy which she is the insured on. So the CSR can scroll down, look under the insured box, and then click on any ULG policies that she may have within the system. The CSR can then easily pull up this policy by double-clicking on it, which opens up a new window containing all the policy information. In this case, the caller Taryn needs to change the owner of her policy to her new business partner, Blake Hodges. The CSR will click on the search button next to the policy owner field, opening up a new window which will allow all available contacts in the Policy 360 system to be brought up. The CSR will click on the search button next to the policy owner field, opening a new window with all available contacts in Policy 360. Inside the new window, the CSR can search to find Blake Hodges in the database. If the contact has not been added to the database, the CSR can click the New button to add a new contact record for this contact. Seeing Blake is on there, I will go ahead and click on his name. See that it pops up within the new policy owner field on Taryn Rogers' ULG policy. Now that I've completed the changes and the call with Taryn, I'd like to go in and show the final piece of the Policy 360 demonstration, which is around the auditing feature of the system. Understanding mistakes can be made, a CSR or CSR manager can go back into the system and check the history of changes to a policy holder's information. Now I'm going to go ahead and close out Taryn's information and head back to my main workspace, and this will conclude the demo for today. I hope you enjoyed our demonstration and brief slide deck on Edgewater's Policy 360 concept.